These new boots I got from Boot Barn. Boot Barn. I call these the Black Stallions. And these are the Daisy Dukes. Great progress so far. Great progress. Whew. Getting closer. Getting closer. It's just over there. There's always a part going up this incline. It just kills my calves. And my legs feel like they want to give out. I keep going though. It's all part of the process. Made it to the park. Made it to Papago Park. Oh yeah, there we go. Sunset in the background. My allergies are going off. I think it's crazy how some of the Apache warriors back in the day, during the 1800s, could run up to 80 miles in one day, far outpacing horses. And I'm like, man, I just can't imagine the level of training. But from the little amount of research that I did, they were trained from youth to like run on rocks and bear the pain and, you know, get their endurance up. Running was a form of survival for them. It wasn't just for fun. They would run through brush, through cacti, you know, you name it. One Apache warrior said that his legs were like automobiles. He could cover so much ground in one day. I'm like, man, that sounds so good. Wish my legs were like automobiles. Right now, my legs are like pogo sticks. You can get pretty far, but you can't get too far. All right, let's get these push-ups and dips in so I can get on out of here. Get back to my apartment. Sometimes I think to myself, like, what if this big thing just fell? You know what I'm saying? This rock right here. What if it just, it's a recurring, not nightmare, but like intrusive thought. Like with this rock just like toppled over. You see what I'm saying? Like what if it just, well, you know, what if it just fell over? It'd be loud. That's for sure. It would be a very loud tumble. I don't want to be there for that. That's the day I want to be in Gilbert when that happens. That would be a mess. It's getting darker in the valley. Getting a wee bit dark. All right, the brutality of the push-ups and the dips combination is over. Now we make haste back to the west, to my apartment. Finish out the day. Burn. Oh look, tomato. Not every day you get to see tomato just like rolling around the streets, you know, Phoenix. I feel honored, I feel special. But yeah, I'm about to get one of these Nutri-Grain bars in and some water, and then we'll head on back because I'm about to do my favorite part of the trail, which is the actual trail down the Big Butte Loop. Ready to see my favorite part of running Papago Park. Oh, is this the entrance? Kind of back down there, to the left. Oh, maybe I shouldn't forget to start my watch. Let's go to segment 2. let's drop in. Ooh. That's my face. That just did hit my face. Ah. Hey. There's trees. Quick look. Did I scratch myself? I don't know. Grasshopper. Alright, that was my first drop in. This is my second one. This was on my exit, which is right there. Now we got some speed. Hurdle. Woo. And we're out of here, baby. We're out. 2 words. I'm gone. Bro, I kid you not. The air right now, it smells like those nopalito chips. Oh, it's like dry, heat, smoky. Like there might be a hint of a wildfire somewhere. That's what desert heat smells like, baby. Oh, Sonoran. That's Sonoran scent. Scintillating. We're so dry out here. My eyes are burning. Key takeaway from the run. Glad to be back out there in nature, smelling that Sonoran scent of the desert. I feel cleansed. I feel cleansed after the run. Like I've just been, everything's gone. As always, bro, sis, stay consistent, stay courageous. Wait, no. Stay consistent, stay curious, stay courageous. See you out there, friends.